I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins at the closing market minute for Thursday, August 28th. Soybeans ended an up and down session, mostly modestly higher, adjusting spreads and finding a little bit of technical support. And corn did close firm. They were both seeing a little bit of support from these solid new crop weekly export sales numbers. Still, soybeans remain cautious about this lack of demand from China, who has not purchased any new crop U.S. soybeans outright, at least not as of yet. And while there is a Chinese trade negotiator expected to be in Washington, D.C. later on this week, it remains to be seen how much can get done in this round of talks. Corn does have solid support overall, but is looking at a very large supply with harvest starting to move north, and planting is getting underway in portions of South America. Wheat closed modestly higher. Chicago and Kansas City did find some oversold signal support, seeing some short covering during the session. Meanwhile, Minneapolis was higher on a lower than expected spring wheat production number out of Statistics Canada ahead of the open. Live and feeder cattle were sharply lower, waiting for widespread direct cash cattle business to get underway. There wasn't a lot of technical support for the recent rally, so contracts fell through some key technical support points. Again, continuing to wait for direct business, things remained very quiet during the session, especially the major feeding areas in the south. And hogs were up modestly on the modestly higher midday move in pork and contracts discount to the cash index. With the closing market minute for Thursday, August 28th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins.